Greetings from the 2026 Nissan Motorhome, the mobile home of the future. Nissan has reinvented the open road experience by fusing state-of-the-art technology and comfort with innovative design. This RV is built for efficiency and adventure, from its revolutionary powertrain to its sleek, aerodynamic exterior that has integrated solar panels and adaptable LED lighting. A strong yet silent hybrid electric engine under the hood ensures you can travel farther with less of an effect on the environment by providing strong performance and remarkable fuel efficiency. A futuristic dashboard that genuinely reinvents the driver's cockpit greets you as soon as you step inside. The whole console is covered by a huge, programmable digital display that offers smooth connection, cutting-edge driver assistance capabilities, and simple control over the climate, navigation, and vehicle diagnostics. The 2026 Nissan Motorhome becomes a vibrant center for entertainment in addition to being a place to drive. When not in use, the huge retractable smart TV in the main living room blends into the ceiling, providing a spacious, open environment. With its integrated, power-adjustable desk and charging outlets, a dedicated workstation provides ergonomic comfort and is ideal for creative endeavors or distant work. There will never be a dull moment on your trip thanks to a pop-up gaming console that links to the main screen and offers an immersive experience for friendly competition or solitary play. Escape to the calm and well-thought-out bedroom, a haven of peace and comfort. For individualized comfort, the roomy queen-sized bed has adjustable headrests and a high-quality memory foam mattress. Your items are kept neat and out of sight with clever storage solutions like integrated shelves and concealed compartments, which maximize the feeling of openness. You may wake up to the beauty of nature or watch the stars from the comfort of your bed thanks to the large panoramic windows with privacy curtains that provide stunning views of your surroundings. The bathroom is a demonstration of clever layout and effective use of available space. It has a full-sized shower with a rainfall showerhead and fast hot water, despite its small size. Nissan's dedication to sustainability and convenience is demonstrated with a composting toilet and a sleek, contemporary vanity with touch-activated faucets that provide all the conveniences of a typical house in a small, fashionable packaging. In the unexpectedly large and well-equipped kitchen, prepare delectable meals. It includes a huge, energy-efficient refrigerator with a freezer section, a convection microwave oven, and an induction cooktop. Ingredients are arranged using a clever pantry system, and there is plenty of prep room thanks to a pull-out countertop extension. Enjoying delicious meals, even in the most distant settings, is made possible by the integrated sink's filtered water dispenser, which makes cooking and cleaning a breeze.